Section 6.3, we're learning how to graph using intercepts. Does everybody have their notes out?
Yeah.
Here we go. To find the y-intercept, make x equals 0. To find the x-intercept,
What's the dot on your arm?
there's always a critic.
Can I get up closer? Or zoom in?
Okay, yeah.
Board at all?
Is this gonna work?
Zoom.
So this is our first close. It's very close. It's where they cross. Nope. This is where the graph crosses the
axis.
x and or y.
Axis.
How do you spell axes? What we're going to do? I'm going to give you an equation, and we are going to find the intercepts of the equation.
You gotta look at the camera sometimes.
First equation
Yes,
is
smile.
y equals 2x
Minus.
minus 10.
Smile.
And then I'm going to, with you, and kind of ask you, how do you find the x and y intercept? Well, the directions are up there. Okay, are you guys ready? Or should I wait? Yes, Nick. Nick, let's first find the y-intercept.
Okay.
The y-intercept in this particular problem is going to be easier than the x-intercept. How do I find the y-intercept, Nick?
Where you, I don't know.
You probably cannot video the kids unless I have like release forms from you. So actually, you cannot video the class. You can only video me, because otherwise we're posting people. How do you find the y-intercept, Nick?
I still don't know.
It's up there, right there. The first thing I wrote is to find the y-intercept.
Oh, make x equals 0.
So what we're going to do is we're going to make x equals 0 in this equation. So I'm going to say that y equals 2 times 0 minus 10. And I can do this in my head. Y, you probably can too, especially after you've seen it. What is the y-intercept?
You embarrass yourself on video.
I embarrass myself every day. It doesn't bother me. So now I'm embarrassing myself for the entire world to see.
Yeah.
Well,
Yeah.
What is the y-intercept? Solve this equation with x equals 0. What is 2 times 0?
0.
So I'm
Equals
going to say that
-10.
y equals -10 because that canceled. So what's the y-intercept?
-10.
I'm going to call it just the y-int is -10. That's a 10.
Still don't get that. It's way confusing.
All I did, it's actually really easy. All I did was substitute a 0 for x, and whatever the equation works out, that's the y-intercept. So let's find the x-intercept. How do I find the x-intercept? Yes.
Why do you have to put intercept after 1? Do you have to when you're doing
This is your answer, y-int. Because it's not a point, it's not y, it's where it crosses the
When
line.
you're doing the problem, do you have to put
No, I'm just trying to give you an idea of what we're working with, so you understand. All right, so now we will find the x-intercept. How do I find the x-intercept?
Make
Anybody out
y
there?
0.
Make y equals 0. So in this equation, we're going to make y equals 0. It's going to be 0 equals 2x minus 10. And now I have to just solve for x. Who's the third wheel in this relationship?
10. -10.
-10. How do I get rid of -10?
Positive 10.
Plus 10. Plus 10. 0 plus 10?
10.
10 equals 2x. What is the x-intercept?
5. Oh, so you would divide 2
Mm-hmm.
10? Okay, I get it.
Just basically solving for x. There was a question?
Jonathan.
You called my name. How do we feel about that?
Easy.
That's how to find the intercepts. You just make the opposite one equal 0 and solve the equation. So if you're finding the x-intercept, plug in a 0 for y. If you're finding the y-intercept, plug in a 0 for x. Good? Now I just have a few examples to give you and you're ready to go on your homework. I'm going to give you a graph like this and like this. And I'm going to ask you to
Find the intercept.
identify
The intercept.
Oh, press
the
stop.
x and y intercepts. So I'm going to ask you to tell me what is the x-int and what is the y-int.
Oh, that's easy.
That is very easy. So raise your hand. Somebody check. Take a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, 6.
X-intercept.
6.
6.
That's way easy.
Y-intercept.
So all I have to do is count?
Ooh, it happens to be.
5.
It's -6. Remember the negatives go down.
That's all we do in our homework.
You do. Your homework has these, and has one more little piece that is as easy as this. You ready?
Yeah.
Can I erase this?
Yeah. Yes.
I have one more piece for your homework that is as easy as what we just did. It's this. I'm going to ask you to
Graph.
This is the last part of your notes. Chad, you not writing any notes down? It's interesting that you're going to...
That's easy, Mr. Harris.
Very easy.
Very easy.
So I'm going to make a graph. So I'm just going to simply make a graph. The y-intercept is a negative. So I'm going to go down how many?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Put a dot. I'm going to go
Up 12.
over 12. No, because I'm on the x-axis, which is here, and this is the y. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Then you gotta put a dot right there.
And then all I do,
Make a line.
That's easy.
so using the intercepts is really easy. Remember, sometimes they're going to give you an equation. You have to find the intercept just by making the other letter equal 0. If you're trying to find the x, make y equal 0. Trying to find the y, make x equal 0. You ready?
Smile. Smile.
Here's your homework.